making a quick video for the Buddha temple. We are in a Gifu. What is this temple name, Moko? Shobo-Ji. 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 This temple name is Shobo-Ji. It's a Buddhist temple located very near, close to the Gifu castle. This is the Buddha Shobo-Ji. Shobo-Ji temple. Shobo-Ji. It's a parking area for the resident and probably for the temple as well. We came from the back to the front. Let's open that side. Let's open this side also. Arigatou gozaimasu. Sushi daijoubu? Oh, go inside. Oh my god, look at this. It's the biggest Buddha. Wow, the very tall Buddha statue. Check it out, guys. At least it's very I don't know how big is this, but I think it's 4 or 5 story high, 40-50 feet tall Buddha in Shobo-Ji temple in Gifu. Wow. Yeah, so this is the structure for the temple, and I think the Buddha is up somewhere here from bottom to top. So yeah, that's pretty high. It looks very unrealistic, very surreal statue of Buddha. Thank you, Buddha, for the bringing peace in this world. Thank you for showing the path to human life, to find peace and happiness. And thank you for your wisdom. Till this day, it's intact as it was in your time. Aho. Thank you, Buddha. It's a really tall statue of Buddha, guys. It's amazing. I love it. I'm just gonna walk around a little bit and give you the glimpse of the temple. So many Buddhas or monk statues. Just look at from the side view. Buddha, man, it's really surreal. I was not expecting this. It's really tall golden Buddha sitting there. So this is like a back of the Buddha statue. This is where you go enter inside. And some more different monks statues here. There is one standing statue, some standing monks, some sitting monks, and it's all amazing. Like very peaceful vibe here. Yeah, I've seen it. Yeah, mandala, Buddha's life. It's actually, we are all Buddha. We are all Buddha, but we are sleeping Buddha. Somehow we are not awakened, like we are not awakened to the truth, to the life. Whereas Buddha was as it is. There was no confusion, no fear, no anxiety. It was all gone, and Buddha found peace within, and he was the first one in this lifetime to give us the knowledge. But he said that there was many Buddhas before him, and there will be more Buddhas after him. So we all are potential Buddhas, but just in a sleeping form. Thank you, Buddha, for everything. Love you so much. So that's there. I showed you guys, but like this is a miniature of the whole temple, and I think the Buddha is somewhere up here, like this tall. It's really tall, guys. If you are like physically present here, you'll realize the, what do you call it, like the power, the magnificent energy there. It's really crazy. Like I cannot look away from the Buddha's head. It's just like standing in Buddha's feet is crazily good feeling. So yeah. So this was a Shobo-Ji temple in Gifu City. It's very close to Gifu Castle. You cannot miss it. Just ask anybody. Shobo-Ji, and you cannot see it from outside, but once you go inside, it's really like a huge statue of Buddha. So I hope you guys enjoyed that peace and existence of Buddha's tallest statue. I never seen that big actually, so this was first for me, and I hope you guys also enjoyed it. So yeah, that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Please like and subscribe and comment if you like. If you have any question, please comment also. I'll be glad to answer if I can. And yeah, that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much again. Be nice to each other, especially with your family. Family is always the first, remember, guys. Okay, thank you so much again. Bye bye.